There is no compelling evidence for naturalistic mega-evolution. Evolution believers claim that the following prove that naturalistic evolution is true. A. Comparative anatomy. B. Embryology and development. C. Fossil record. D. DNA comparisons. E. Species distributions. F. Evolution observed. G. Predictive power of evolution. H. Nested hierarchies of traits. However, none of the offered evidence holds up to investigation. Definitions. Naturalistic mega-evolution is naturalistic single-cell to human evolution, without intelligent design permitted anywhere in the process. This includes naturalistic formation of completely new body plans and completely new higher taxa, such as kingdom, phylum, class, order. Microevolution is adaptation of a species to its environment. This can cause formation of varieties or races within a species. These varieties can viably crossbreed. Macroevolution is adaptation of a portion of a species, leading to inability to viably crossbreed with the parent species. So, this can lead to low-level speciation, in principle, within the lower taxa, species, genus, family. However, this cannot create completely new body plans or higher taxa, kingdom, phylum, class, order. Evaluation. If naturalistic evolution is true, then gradualism is necessarily true, and there can be no discontinuities in any of the areas listed in the evolution believers' claim above. However, we see huge discontinuities in A. Comparative anatomy, B. Embryology and development, C. Fossil record, D. DNA comparisons. We will discuss these discontinuities in greater detail in future videos. These discontinuities falsify gradualism and thereby falsify naturalistic evolution. E. Species distributions. These falsify naturalistic evolution because we see similar species separated by hundreds to thousands of miles of ocean, where even evolutionists accept that those landmasses were not joined at the time of the origin and presence of those species. F. Evolution observed. What has been observed is microevolution that does not establish mega-evolution. There is no instance of microevolution that has been observed that proves mega-evolution to be true. In addition, there are strict natural limits on how far a species can change in any given trait. Push the species past that limit and it dies off. This observation contradicts the requirement of infinite plasticity of species that NUCD requires, and so this falsifies naturalistic universal common descent. G. Predictive power of evolution. The predictions of evolution, gradualism, Darwinism, neo-Darwinism, have all been falsified by the scientific evidence. For the higher taxa, i.e., above low-level speciation within a genus or family, scientists have confirmed this falsification in the scientific literature. H. Nested hierarchies of traits. The predicted nested hierarchies of traits have been clearly falsified by the scientific evidence presented in the scientific literature. If the predicted nested hierarchies of traits were true, we would expect a single tree of life. However, a single tree of life has been falsified by the scientific evidence from the biosphere, and therefore, the predicted nested hierarchies of traits have also been falsified by the scientific evidence from the biosphere. Conclusion. 1. The lines of evidence in the evolution believers' claim do not prove naturalistic mega-evolution to be true. 2. In fact, they falsify naturalistic mega-evolution. Note: we will look deeper into each of these lines of alleged evidence in future videos. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.